Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to give the unboxing of this crucial X6 portable SSD. It has total of 1 TB of storage. It supports Windows, Mac OS, and Android, and it has up to 800 megabyte per seconds of speed. It's a memory and storage expert company, Crucial. It's a trusted brand. On the side, it shows works with Windows 10, 8.1, Mac OS, and Android. And in the bottom, it's given the actual size dimensions. And on the back, the address of the manufacturers are given, and some other details. The what the Crucial company. And on the other side, the contents of the box is given: the Crucial S6 portable SSD, USB-C to USB-C cable. It's a USB 3.2 Gen 2 cable, and a quick start guide is given. And in the bottom, it is given limited 3-year warranty. And on the top of the box, it is given the name of the SSD: Crucial S6 portable SSD, 1 TB and 800 MB per second speed. Now let me unbox this. So just I have already opened it, so I will unbox it for demonstrating to you. So just open the box and we take out this contents of the box. Firstly, we have a manual. It's have the all the warranty related informations and some of the details of this SSD. It's a manual, so you can keep it away. And let's take the SSD itself. This is the SSD. It's given in a plastic cover, so we can open the cover and take it out. So this is our SSD. It is very small in size, like it's black in color, and it can be held in one hand. It's very small. We can put it in our pockets. It's a pocket sized SSD. And this is the cable. This is the type C to type C cables. Both ends are type C, and the SSD has only one port, that is a type C port. Now if you need to connect it with a USB type A supporting computer, you need an adapter. Type C to type A adapter you need. So this is a 3.2 type C indicating high speed, and there are two LED indicators on the type C cable given. Now let's connect it with my MacBook and demonstrate its speed and working. So I have my MacBook ready with me. Now I will connect this type C SSD with its type C cable to my MacBook. So I am connecting one end of the type C to the SSD and the other type C end to my MacBook's type C port. My MacBook has only two type C ports. When I connect with the type C port, you can see the Crucial SSD drive has come on the MacBook in the Finder app, and also on the sidebar also there is this Crucial SSD. When I open it, there is already the folders are there because I have already connected with an Android phone, so some of folders have been generated on this SSD. And I will copy something into this disk to show you the speed. First, let's get the info of this disk, how many space is available. So when I open the info, there is the whole 1 TB is available. As you can see here, some hard drives, pen drives, SSDs, all other storage devices, while claiming the some 1 TB, 2 TB, etc., they will only give some storage space less than that, because they claims that we are using some space for some software informations of the disks, so they only give some amount less than that. But this disk provides the whole 1 TB as it claims. So this is a Crucial is a great brand. So now let's copy something into this Crucial drive to test its speed. So in the downloads folder of my MacBook, there is this console installation software setup. It has this folder is around 3 point something GB. So I will just copy it and paste it in my hard disk to see how its speed. I think it will momentarily be pasted, but yes, it can be pasted very fastly, but we cannot identify the speed because it's not a single file. There is a lot of files in that folder, so we can check this edited videos folder. It has around 19 GB. There are many videos in this folder, and there are not tiny files, there are some big files, so we can copy it and paste it on my hard disk to check the hard disk speed. It will show the correct speed because the file sizes are large. So I will paste it on my hard disk drive, and as you can see, it is getting pasted and the speed is showing here, and the speed is fast. This 19 GB is getting pasted very quickly, like some 20 seconds it's taking. It's going very fast. So the hard disk has that much speed. This is not a hard disk, it's a SSD. This SSD has this much speed because this is a solid state drive. This has this much speed. Around 30 seconds it will take totally. So that means this copying speed is more than 500 or 600 MB per second. It is claiming a maximum speed of 800 MB per second, but we are getting around 500 to 600 MB per second. Now we will eject the SSD from the sidebar of the find wrap. We will take the SSD out. So this is my crucial 1 terabyte portable SSD. So thanks for watching my video. Please give a like and subscribe my channel.